Here we've got INFINIX Hot 9, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on this device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select battery. It should be somewhere here. Okay, battery lab, it's right here. Now scroll a bit lower and here we've got battery percentage. Just click on it, and from now on it is located in your battery icon, so you can see the current battery level smoothly by looking at your status bar. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.